There's been a clunk coming from my front axle, and one of the suspects is the track bar bushings. So today, I'm going to show you how to swap out those old bushings for some brand new ones. So let's get started by removing the track bar. There's just two bolts holding it in. These don't look too bad, but there is some dry rot starting to form, so it's worth replacing. Getting the old rubber out is pretty easy. I used the socket adapter on the vise to push it through. Now we have to deal with the metal sleeve. These can be an absolute nightmare to remove, but by cutting through them, it opens up a big enough gap to drive the sleeve out. If there is some damage done to the bore, you can use some fine sandpaper to smooth it out. It doesn't have to be perfect, but we do want to make sure that the new bushing can be slid in without being damaged. With that done, the new bushings can be pressed in, but since I'm using poly bushings, it's going to be a bit different. These need to be coated in silicone paste for assembly. This should also prevent them from squeaking in the future. With the new bushings in, it's ready to be installed. However, it can be a rather tight fit to get back in place. So I use some more of that silicone paste on the outside of the bushings to help slide it in. Once the bolts are installed, they can be torqued from 120 to 150 foot-pounds. To test it, I'm going to turn the wheel back and forth and watch the track bar. Since there's no popping or sudden movements, I'm going to call that good. So that's how you change the track bar bushings on an OBS Ford. If you're looking for more front-end repairs, you can click this video right here.